50 Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
UPS 5218 Heavy, contact ND Center 126.37.
Going to ND 12637, UPS 5218 Heavy, see ya.
Sir.
Departure UPS 5542.
5542, good.
Climate to 5000, we struck possibly a drone or balloon. Neither one of us got a good look at it, but it definitely was not a bird.
Okay. I mean, you probably can't tell if you got any damage, correct?
Yeah, pressurization is fine and everything. There's no damage as far as we can tell.
Okay, no alarms going off or anything, any lights?
Negative.
Okay, well, if you wouldn't mind, just giving us a call whenever you land somewhere and just let us know for sure if you had any damage. Do you need the phone number for that?
Go ahead.
502.
We'll call you back when we get to Milwaukee if there's anything.
Okay, I appreciate it. And you can contact ND Center 124.77, 2477. Have a good day.
2477, good day. UPS 5542. I just need new underwear, that's all.